Hey, have you been waiting, wanting, desiring to learn a new language, but the language softwares that are out there, the monthly payments are really high, or they're just not as easy as you thought to navigate? Well, I have an AI tool that will help you to solve that problem. Hey everyone, my name is Tracy V. Allen. I am an AI integration specialist with AI architect, and I'm going to talk about TalkBerry today. So let's go on over, and I'm going to share my screen so you can see what TalkBerry is all about. Um, okay, let's get the screen shared. All right, so this is TalkBerry. So it's one word, TalkBerry. And in TalkBerry, you can learn a new language for free. It's like having a personal tutor who is going to immerse you in the language that you want to speak without having to pay the high cost of learning that particular language, or having a friend that you're constantly bothering to speak to you in that particular language. So that's what TalkBerry is all about. So this is their website. You'll go to talkberry.ai to find the information. You can sign up here for a free trial. You'll put in your name, your username, your email address, create a password. They will send you an email to your email address to verify your email. Once you verified your email, you are going to come on over back to TalkBerry. You're going to put in what language you'd like to learn. I put Spanish. Then it'll ask you what is your native language. You'll put that in, and then you will click Start Learning. And it will take you to the course page, right? And you can determine who your avatar is going to be, what kind of scenes you want to learn. Is it the first day of school? You want to have some coffee time, meeting new friends, going to the grocery store. Maybe you want to be able to communicate in the grocery store, at the doctor's office. You choose where you want to start your learning. There are different levels, as you can see, and you just go ahead and you start learning the lingo, right? Whether it's words, and then you start learning phrases and having actual natural conversation with your avatar. If you click on courses, they have different types of courses that you can take as well. If you want to do like a job interview, but you kind of have to go in order here. And then they also have a total job simulator, which is separate from this, that you can use, but these are paid. So if you're going to continue beyond this portion, you're going to have to upgrade. And the upgrade price after the 3-day trial is $8 a month, which I think is very reasonable for the level of communication that you're going to have here. You can spend as much time as you want to, or as little time as you want to, getting to learn the language as quickly as possible. You go back to the beginning, and then, oh, I was telling you about the job courses. So if you come back on over, if you go home, and then it's not going back to where I want it. Okay, so if you go back to the initial page when you signed up, you'll see mock interview here. That is what we have over here. So the mock interview is like a job interview simulator. So if you have problems interviewing and maybe that is causing you not to get a job because you're not comfortable answering the questions, you're not comfortable in social settings, you can use TalkBerry's job interview simulation to help you to get comfortable. It takes you through a bunch of questions that you would be asked by a potential employer so that you can start formulating your answers and getting accustomed to answering certain questions so that you perform better on job interviews. And that's basically the breakdown of TalkBerry. I highly suggest that you give it a try. I've been using it for a while, brushing up on my Spanish, and I absolutely like it. So give TalkBerry a try. Make sure to like, share, subscribe with someone who you know can utilize this information. And until next time, bye-bye.